In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Copilot to effortlessly create a professional meeting agenda. This powerful tool can streamline your planning process, making it easy to organize and present your meeting objectives with precision. To get started, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Microsoft Copilot website. You can find it at copilot.microsoft.com. Once the page is loaded, look for the sign-in option. You'll need to log in using your Microsoft 365 account credentials. This is important because Copilot's features are integrated and optimized for Microsoft 365 users, offering them seamless access to its range of tools. Once you're signed in, the next step is to locate and click on the Message Copilot box, prominently displayed at the center of the page. This interface is your gateway to interacting with Copilot's AI capabilities. It's designed to be user-friendly, making it easy for anyone to start engaging and creating content effortlessly. Now, move on to typing a specific request or prompt into the message box. For this demonstration, you'll want to enter the following prompt. Create a 30-minute meeting agenda for a project kickoff. Include a welcome note, 5 agenda items with time allocations, and 3 expected outcomes. Write it in a clear, professional format I can paste into a Teams invite. After typing it out, press Enter to submit the prompt. Copilot will process this information and generate a detailed agenda tailored for a project kickoff meeting. When Copilot presents the agenda, it's time to review the content. This is an opportunity to ensure everything meets your expectations and aligns with the purpose of your meeting. If any section of the agenda seems vague or could use more specificity, don't hesitate to refine it. You can do this by typing additional commands directly into the message box. For instance, if you find that the agenda items need more detail, you could type, "Add more detail to each agenda item," and press Enter. Copilot will then work on expanding and refining the details as requested. And there you have it. You've successfully used Microsoft Copilot to create an efficient and professional meeting agenda. With such a tool at your fingertips, planning a meeting can now become a smooth and straightforward process, letting you focus more on your meeting's objectives rather than the preparations. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to explore further, adjust commands, and refine results to suit your various professional needs. Thank you for watching, and happy planning!